Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the background from an image. You can do this two ways. If you have the pre version, you're going to find background remover right here, and it's going to basically be it. But since I don't have a free version, and I suppose that's why you're clicking on this video, we're going to use the following. First of all, let's put our image in the right way you would like. And we're going to download it right away from Canva. Click on the top right corner, click on download, and then click download. As you can see right here, it downloaded and our design is here. After that, I'm gonna head to a new tab and I'm gonna search remove PG or remove.pg. As you can see, remove image background automatically and for free. I'm gonna upload my image and I'm just gonna actually click on the here and drag it here. Or you can choose the file as it's shown. Right here, alright, you can see this, it's already much better. Just click on it, we'll download it actually just like this. I'll go back to my Canva, gonna delete this, and I'm gonna drag this right here. This is literally perfect. As you can see, this works mostly with backgrounds that are, distinguishable and easy to follow up with. That's basically it for today's video, guys. I hope you understood, and goodbye.